Welcome to super short tutorial. Let's learn how to add emoji in YouTube comment in Mac. If you have MacBook Pro, MacBook Air or Mac any Mac machine, then you can follow this tutorial. Control, Command and then Space all together. Look this, then double click. Again Control, Command, Space. You do not need to do anything else, just it. And another way is click this language icon and then show emoji. If you have not this icon in your menu bar, then follow this, click Mac icon, then system preference, and then language and region, then keyboard preferences. If you uncheck this, it will show. If you uncheck this, you can see language bar. If you check this, you can see this language bar. Very easy. Please like, comment, share, and if possible subscribe my channel. More interesting video will come. It will encourage me to do more video. Thank you so much.